Hello guys, I am Vinayak from niftinayak.com. In this video, I will be telling you why most of the retail traders actually fail to make money in stock market. Yes, it is the fact. Do you know not more than 2 to 3% of active traders actually make money in stock market? And this is not just in India, it is the figure which is there throughout the world. So let me just show you one article which is written by Nitin Kamath, who is the MD of Zerodha. So I hope you guys can see the screen. So here he says, from my experience in the market, less than 1% of the active traders make more than bank fixed deposit returns in the long run. So if a person like Nitin Kamath is making such a big statement, it's obvious that he will be having data to back his statement. He is not a person who just makes some random statement. And it is a fact. Yes, now because of internet, Google, because of increasing knowledge among retail community, probably this might have increased from 1% to 2 to 3%. But still it is less than 5 to 10% only. But if you see social media, there everyone makes money. So in social media, everyone is a billionaire. So let's forget that. So why do retail people fail to make money in stock market? See, the main reason is most of the retail people whom I have interacted with, or from my experience, they actually look for a particular strategy or a golden strategy which they can apply every day, every minute, every week, every month and make money. And let me tell you, there is no such strategy which will give you profit every day. So they actually look for a well defined process. So they want to know the step which they can follow every day, using which they can make money. So they want some trade to be taken at 9 o'clock in the morning. Then they want some trade which has to be taken at 1 o'clock in the morning, afternoon. And they want some trade which has to be taken at 2 o'clock in the evening. And they want the repetitive process which will give them profit. And let me tell you, in this market, you cannot have a well defined process which will give you profit every day. See, if that was the case, converting that process into an algo is not a big challenge. You hire a Python developer or a AmiBroker developer, they will code you and give you the convert your process into an algo within few days. But let me tell you, even the biggest of the biggest algos developed by some of the big companies who don't have problem with money, who don't have problem with resources, even those algos fail. Even they are not able to make consistent money. I'm talking about algos designed by companies like JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, Bank of America. You think they don't have money? They don't have people who can develop the code? They have every resources. The people who develop algos in these companies are people who are having PhD in maths, psychology, statistics, economics, whatever. Okay, because this market is very dynamic. This market is not like any other business. Most of the businesses are also process driven. You take an example of running a hotel. If you are a owner of a hotel, so you have a well defined role. Every day morning you have to check whether the raw materials has come. After that you have to make sure whether the employees have come to your hotel, so that the vegetables are cut and the breakfast is ready by 8 o'clock. Then at 11 o'clock you have to make sure that you start preparing for the lunch. Then around 4 o'clock you have to make sure that you have to start preparing for snacks. Then around 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock you have to make sure that the dinner is ready. Then after everything is over, you have to make sure that the utensils are cleaned so that you get ready for the next day. And this is a repetitive process. Yes, I'm not telling that running a hotel is easy, but it is more 90% of the work what you do there is repetitive every day. So you just have to keep on improvising yourself day by day. Okay. So yesterday, if you had bought 10 kgs of vegetables and if only 8 kg was used, then next day you will bring only 8 kgs. So that's how you keep on refining. And if you do that continuously over a time, you will become a perfect hotelier. Similarly, with even manufacturing. For example, if you are having a factory, so you have to make sure that the raw materials have come, the manufacturing is happening smoothly, the laborers are getting right salary by the end of the month. Then once the product is ready, you have to package it, then make sure that the logistics happens. So it is a well defined process. So whenever people do stock trading, they assume that even this is a well defined process and they want to learn the process. Let me tell you, in this market, you can't have a process. What strategy worked yesterday, it worked only yesterday. There is no guarantee that it will work today. And what worked today doesn't mean that it will work tomorrow. It may fail drastically tomorrow. Okay. So you should be, it is like in this market, if you want to be successful, it is like starting a new business every day. Okay. So when you start a new business every day, what are the challenges you face are the challenges what you face here. And let me tell you, nobody knows the direction of the market. Okay. You who expected that in 1 year Nifty would move from 8,000 to 16,000? Yes, today most of the analysts will tell that they anticipated Nifty to move. If you had invested 1 lakh in Infosys 100 years ago, today you would have 100 of crores. All these are all post-mortem reports which most of the analysts give. But let me tell you, 1 year back, that is in 2020, because of pandemic, when Nifty was at 8,000, 7,000, most of them expected it to go even further lower. Yes, I am not telling that nobody anticipated a recovery, but I don't think anyone would have expected such a sharp recovery in such a short period. Okay. So this is the mentality of retailers. Now the retailers' mentality has become even more lazy. So before I used to get inquiry from people asking, "Sir, can you tell me a strategy which I can use every day and make money?" Now they have become even more advanced. Now they are coming and asking, "Sir, do you have an algo using which I can make consistent profit?" So their expectation is at 9 o'clock in the morning before they go to office, they will double click on the algo which will run the algo. So they expect the algo to take the trades, do all kind of adjustment, set all the stop loss and everything, and by the end of the day even close all the trades, so that at 3:30 when he opens his mobile, he should be able to see a big fat M2M profit. So this is the expectation. And let me tell you, in trading, this is the same expectation what people have about adjustment as well. They feel that doing adjustment will give them 100% guarantee. So they feel you took a trade, the trade didn't work, now you put the adjustment trade, and then you can sit like this where you will automatically get profit. That is not the case. Let me tell you, many times by doing adjustment, I have lost more than my initial loss. If I had not done adjustment, I would have lost 1 lakh. By doing adjustment, I lost 2 lakhs. It has happened with me many times. So don't be in an assumption that by learning adjustments or by doing adjustments, you are 100% protected. No. Sometimes the trades what to do for adjustment will be in danger. Okay. So don't go behind a well defined process in stock market. Frankly, there is no such process. If anyone is telling you that he has an algo using which you can make money, there are a lot of trainers and traders now, they have found this way, okay, where they tell, sir, your involvement is only not required, you just have to link your account to the algo, and the algo will automatically trade and money will just keep flowing to your account, and they charge fee for retailers. I have got lot of complaints from retailers where they have lost money in this way, okay. So don't look for that holy grail or that process which will give you profit. It is not there. If it was there, let me tell you, big companies like Bank of America, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, who don't have problem of money, who don't have problem of resources, who don't have problem of people, the people who are there are much educated, much brainy than me and you, okay. As I told you, they can afford to hire people who have done PhD in maths, statistics, psychology, etc. By now they would have found it. And let me tell you, even the algos which is designed by these companies are also failing. Even that is not giving consistent results. So if anyone approaches you, tells you that he has an algo which will work perfectly, which will give profit day in and day out, ask him to show some live proof. Ask him to show how the algo has performed for last 1 year in live market, not the backtesting report. Backtesting report also everything looks good. Okay. I hope you guys like the video. Do like, subscribe and share so that you can learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys for watching.